it's Luke here. I'm with John. We're gonna check out this Tesla. Let's go for a ride.
This is Julian. He's gonna summon his Tesla.
If I can.
Maybe.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty.
How do I open from the inside? You push this button.
It's not like glass.
It is, yeah, it's a full glass top. Some of the items in here, as you can see, the full console and all the controls are all part of this 15-inch monitor. It's not movable. A few people have asked about that, but you get all your commands here, and you can, change your mirrors. And
you get Netflix on here or Amazon Prime. Or
you actually can. I'll show you that in a second. The other nice thing is you can actually change your driving style. There's an acceleration of, we're going to go with standard today. So you get the full feel of what the car can do. But there's also a chill mode, which kind of reduces how quickly the vehicle accelerates. So some people don't like that, sunk into the seat feeling. You can also change your steering mode to be sort of like a soft feel to it, or a sports feel, which tightens it up quite a bit. So you can really get that sports car feeling. Regenerative braking on this is one of the unique features. It's basically you're driving with one pedal on this car, so you're hardly ever using the brake. And the whole idea about that is it's using the electric motors to actually slow the vehicle down instead of the brakes. It's actually charging the battery back up. So if you're going downhill or you're stopping at a stoplight, we'll actually see the indicator change from green and black on the other side. So black means it's using the battery, green it's actually recharging the battery. So you can imagine, you're going up a mountain, you're using up more energy, but when you're going back down the other side, you're actually charging the battery. Other nice features in it is actually how it shows you your energy consumption as you're going.
Is that your last ride right there?
Yeah, you can see this little spike here, and you guys get to feel that spike as well. Looking at it from the battery perspective, you basically get 500 kilometers in a full charge. Now, because it's a little different than an internal combustion car, everything's running off the battery. So during the winter, you actually lose quite a bit of your charge just due to the cold or actually heating up the car. All 5 seat warmers to it, so you can actually heat up all of the seats in the screen. But then you can also play with the climate controls as well.
At some point, this is going to become holographic.
It will, yeah. You won't even need the screen at all.
Wait. You're saying this doesn't have a heads-up display on the windshield?
It does not yet have the heads-up display. Autopilot feature. So this is the enhanced autopilot. It's going to cost me like $7,000 to buy it.
Is that a lifetime purchase?
It is a lifetime purchase.
Including all updates and downloadable content? Okay.
Yeah, probably every 2 weeks or so we get a little update that either adds features or changes something about the car. Yeah. So it's that continuous improvement to the vehicle.
Nice.
And what's nice is you're just constantly getting it.
Is there a holiday mode or video game?
There is. So interesting that you asked. So since it's around Christmas, we can turn our car into
Santa
Christmas mode. Yeah, where's the Batmobile option? Feels like you're driving that futuristic car, and you're constantly getting something new out of it. Every time you drive it, it's a different experience. Pressing down puts you in drive, pressing up puts you in reverse, and then you got the rear-facing camera that pops up for you as well. And the nice thing is while you're driving, you can actually have the back camera on, which a lot of vehicles you can't actually turn that function on.
Okay, what's the turning radius like? Oh, that's pretty good.
It's pretty tight. I won't do the donuts that people have
it looks
done
like
in this.
Are these from you earlier?
Yeah, this is our last demo. Everything has a lifespan.
Yeah.
But the likeliness of having to change it in the next 15 years are pretty low, unless there was actually a defect. Okay, so we'll kick it up again here.
This is... Oh, look at Elon. This is Elon Musk.
It is.
This is the best.
And you want to know what the best part about that is? Is the scent is space.
No, fair enough. Okay, that's what space smells. Well, I want to go to space. That smells not too bad, actually.
So I'll show you the change lane function here. So we just have to indicate that we're changing lanes. The car does everything else for you.
What?
Same thing for going back. And then it'll use the adaptive cruise to control our speed with whoever's in front of us.
And does
It does. So yeah, as you can see, it senses everything around us. It'll sense people, motorcycles, trucks, semis. It knows the difference between each of those, and it's using the camera's recognition software to actually register each of those. If you're bored, you can play some lunar lander.
No way. Well, John, thank you so much.
Absolutely, it's always a pleasure.
Oh, it didn't open all the way.